President Mahama, in fact, you are the most clueless and incompetent president this country has ever witnessed. Cluelessness and incompetence. It's like it is a blood that runs through you. It's like you just can't separate yourself from incompetence. Right on your face, excavators have been shipped to Temaport and been transported to God knows where and for what reason. Right on your face, many excavators have been transported to Temaport and they are going to be, distributed to wherever God knows, okay, and do whatever they do. And we know that it is Galamsey they are surely going to use it for. You cannot stop it. You cannot use Signals Bureau to trace Galamseyers. You cannot use Signals Bureau to trace Galamseyers. You cannot use Signals Bureau to trace your hometown people who are running to Burkina Faso, to seek asylum. You cannot use it to trace them. And you are going to use it to trace what? Those of us who are expressing our opinion. Are you a serious president? I mean, what have you done to deserve this case? What has Ghana done to deserve this case? Are we serious as a nation? Mr. President, your duty is to fix the economy. It is about the economy, Mr. President.
Stupid.
It is about our well-being. It is about the security of this country. It is about education. Fix those problems. That is what you have been put there as president to do. You are not our father. You are not our mother. You cannot teach us how to behave. You cannot teach us how to talk. It is not your responsibility as president. It is not your responsibility as a government to fix our behavior. It is not your responsibility. Your responsibility is to fix the economy. Fix our well-being. That is all. And so, Mr. President, stop threatening us with Signals Bureau. It cannot coerce us into keeping quiet. You can't tell us all of a sudden that everybody in this country should follow your command. Everybody should keep quiet. You cannot tell us that. Charity begins at home. As a former president, as a former statesman, you were campaigning. Your dogs, your babies with sharp teeth were out here insulting everybody in this country. I thought as a former president you would have, seen the sense in telling them, no, that's not how we build a nation. And besides, since you saw the light that you're going to win the election, you should have advised them so that they stop early, so that we have peace in this country. You made them continue because it works for your agenda. Today, this is what you see. You did not see Sami Jemfi when he went cursing Akufo-Addo. You did not see Sami Jemfi, your baby boy. You did not see him when he went wishing death for Akufo-Addo and Bawumia. You did not see him. Today, you are saying what? What have you heard? You've not heard anything yet. Mr. President, we have realized that insult can win power. We learned it from Kevin Taylor. We learned it from Sami Jemfi. Wishing death for president. We learned it from Sami Jemfi. Insulting leaders. We learned it from Sami Jemfi and Kevin Taylor and Captain Smart. If there is anything you should do, charity begins at home. Go and advise your dogs. We also see the MPP leaders as our fathers, our parents. We see them as our leaders. In fact, some of us take Akufo-Addo like a god in this country. Not only as a father, not only as a leader, but as a god in this country. Because the things he has done, no president has ever done that. But you sat down as a former president. You don't respect Akufo-Addo. You expect to be respected. You should have led by example. Charity begins at home. If you cannot stop Kevin Taylor, if you cannot stop your dogs from insulting our leaders, then Mr. President, we shall do equally the same. Whatever they do to our leaders, we shall do it to you. Insult can win power, and we are not going to stop. Nobody can coerce us. Nobody can intimidate us.
Stupid.
Right, Ebusiamo Akaba bi mfam Bragan and Sem TV so. Then I'm just so no promise the blogger. Yenua Bema Elementary essay. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is the most incompetent president ever in the history of Ghana. President how anyone money in say over track people are almost use hate speech against your government. It shows how incompetent you are as a president, not as a person, but as a president. You are very incompetent. You are not competent enough to hold the office of the country, the highest office of the country, the presidency. You are not fit enough and you are not competent enough to be the president of the Republic of Ghana. Now, what is the same way say we share Oman almost see now there is a lot of issues a year very, very important actually say I was like a president it's me share na odi ho nkomo e bi to say example unemployment rate across Oman amane wo timu day in day out amount for area school nanso no area school na ejuma obeye no na ehun no akwakoye din amane san say ejuma Oman ne mu no eswa ana uti amani padodo na no area school nanso bebi obenya ejuma ye no asem Intinka as a president ono weni abre ya to abama ono de e was ka focus e wo so ye se obema emrante ne maba wa mo man ne no maburu no benya ejuma aye. Number 2 o say ye to abama on sebra na bema economy no enye yie na obi abotomu enye de enema price enko from petrol, diesel, gas, bibia price enko from na eye goods and services price no so enko from yanto abama o sebra na be track obi a or use any hate speech and I say or can and unti say as a president who nyina say odi IP address ebe track omo ye hate speech dia na wa faili as a president isan say hate speech no eno emfa ho enye wona obetiti obi ba e dia ma no isan say wo makra me cho say bia watiti omo edu impempenso a obi atete ne ba edru yeto abama wo se bra na be manage oman Ghana ma oman no enye yie oman no sikasem oman no asetena eni oman no abrabo no be wie yie ebenya akwan papa ebenya schools eni hospitals papa se na be ya ye maame mo no ne ye nuanom eni na mfo yare na so yankasa kwa yare ne ko hospital a ebenya a nurse apapa a doctors apapa e treat yen wo hospital papa mu. That is the reason why we voted for you. We didn't vote for you to come and use IP address to track people. This is water in your elementary. Okacho His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Osanso Chiyomu say, in any serious country, the president focus on making sure say the country is safe, the security of the country is safe, everything that is happening in the country is safe. The citizens are okay in any serious country. That is what happened. The president of those countries doesn't go after people who uses hate speech against them. When you go to places like America, UK, France, Canada, Spain, all these countries, there are people that say things that are even uncalled for. Things that are beyond hate speech, but they are not being tracked with their IP address because they said something against the president. But rather, they make sure they fix the country, and the reason why they were voted into power no omo ye emanye. So as a president, your security should be your number one priority, because if the security of the country is at stake, the country itself is at stake. Today, as I'm talking to you, 13,000 Ghanaians under your governance, the first time in the history of Ghana, are Ghanaians are refugees in a different country. It's happening currently under your government. And the surprising thing is that those people are from your home region, the Savannah region, especially your hometown. These are issues that the president of the Republic of Ghana should be addressing by now, not addressing people who uses hate speech. That one doesn't put food on anyone's table. It doesn't change the fact that you are an incompetent, or you as a president, you are very, very incompetent. It doesn't change that fact. And until elementary say, we should tell the president of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, say, it is about the economy. You remember what you said to Baomia? Stop it. Fix the economy. Fix the country's security system and stop using people's IP address to change them. It is not done anywhere in any serious country. It is not done anywhere in any serious country. So fix the economy and let Ghanaians have their peace of mind. That's the reason why they voted for you. We and someone in your elementary editor after say, or can I drink editor His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say, "Ontimi and can be anointum," and they will continue doing what they are doing. Ebusuya haya Ghana and Sem TV. Mami hu so adventure e comment section mu. Asem elementary ka no, one no e ya adwen anasa one no enya adwen. Adventure comment section no ebeboa ama ye hu bebi a won so no ugina. Ghana and Sem TV dey ensem esi o Ghana no e na e de bra e wa. Edin am je so e ma na ye promise the blogger.